Yo, this is back here with another banger video, boys. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to become a streamer like me. Come on now, come on. As you guys already know, we're on a brand new channel and I don't know what the name of the channel is. So, yeah, we might be cooked. Also, my mic sounds like it's peaking. If this video is very loud, I'm gonna have to re-record it. Yeah, I'd be sorry I couldn't be asked to re-record it, man. Charge it, mate. But we're gonna hope for the best. Anyway, so obviously I make this video today because everyone's always like BS guys, bro. Like, what the hell are these guys, bro? Like, these tutorials, like, it's just BS, bro. Now you must be asking yourself, why would you trust me? All right, so I've been doing Twitch for about 2 years, like a year and a half, basically consistently. And in a year and a half, I've gained about 5,000 followers on Twitch alone. Crazy. Now, but the thing is, I did get banned, then unbanned, then I had to make a new Twitch account. Now you're like, oh, bro, you've lost everything. No. Listen, I've gained almost 1,000 followers in a month. I'm built different. So today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys my secrets. Woo! Yeah. All right, so tip number 1. Stop being a puss and actually go live, bro. Like, please, like, yo, everyone thinks you need all these fancy equipment. Don't get me wrong. Okay, maybe you need like a face cam and a mic, bro, and maybe a laptop or a console, one of those. You can even just go shit off your phone, bro. Listen, just as long as you can talk and like game or just talk and have a camera, just press the go live button and just like create some sort of content, like practice if you have no viewers, bro. But listen, I'm gonna teach you how to get the viewers later. Don't worry. And listen, if you might be like, what if my friends at school find out? What if people at school find out? Brother, they're gonna find out anyway if you wanna make this your living, bro. Stop being a puss and lock in. Oh my days, bro. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of all these excuses. If you're watching this right now, you know, as you're watching this, press go live and just stream your reaction. Screw it, bro. Number 2, ask yourself why you actually want to be a streamer and be 100% honest with yourself. Like, literally ask yourself right now, why do you want to be a streamer? Is it because you enjoy watching other streamers and it inspires you to do it? Is it because you want to make money? Is it because you want to talk to people? Is it because you have no friends? Be 100% honest. And then once you figure that out, then it will lead on to the next question. What the hell do you want to stream? Now, it's Twitch. You could stream a lot, bro. You could stream you just yapping and talking in front of a camera. You could stream you playing games. You could stream you making music. You could stream you even being in a hot tub. You could stream you half naked, bro. Okay. Obviously, to TOS standards, to TOS standard Twitch, please don't ban me again. But yeah, anyway, as I'm saying, like, literally, just watch other streamers and just, you know, just see what do you already do in your life. Like, in your spare time, what do you already do? Do you play sports? You can stream yourself playing sports. Do you play games? You can stream yourself playing games. And once you're doing that, you can either become really good at the game or it can be based on your personality. If you're just trying streamer, it's gonna be very personality. So don't be shy, be yourself 100%, bro. Like, even if you are good at the game, you wanna be as unique as possible as you can, bro. It might be your hair, it might be your skin, it might be what you wear, it might be the way you speak, it might be the way you act. Like, just be as unique as you possibly can and be yourself, bro. Yo, I actually wanna like add on to some post-production. I just wanna say, listen, there's a ton of Kai Cenats and IShowSpeeds already out there. Listen, they're not gonna watch you act like them when they're literally already there, bro. They can literally just watch them. So just be yourself, bro. Lock in. Come on now. Just be a bit more entertaining, a bit more energetic. But I feel like the more you do it, the more time you have, and the more time you do it, the more experience you get, the more better you'll get. Yeah, I'm yapping. Next tip: do streaming because you actually enjoy it, and don't force yourself to do it. Listen, okay, I know, listen, consistency and everything, but bro, listen, yo, only stream on the days you feel are good, bro. But when you do start to build community, we'll talk about it later. But listen, just right now, just stream because you enjoy it. Do streaming for like a week. Stream for like a week straight, and if you enjoy doing that, then keep doing it. If you don't enjoy doing it, hey, listen, streaming is not for everyone, man. Maybe you can leave it for now and come back later. Like, just do it because you want to enjoy doing it. That's the main focus. Okay, next tip. Now you've already started streaming. You should be live right now. You should be live right now. And you're streaming whatever game you want to play or video you're reacting to or some hot tub stream. Now that you've done your stream, you need to turn it into videos and post it on every other platform because you cannot grow purely off Twitch unless you have like 50 to 100 viewers. Because, bro, Twitch, bro, listen, the discovery is so ass, bro. You go to a category, it's the most viewers at the top and then like the least viewers at the bottom. So you have to scroll and scroll and scroll. If you have one viewer, you're cooked. You're in the void of Twitch, bro. You're not gonna be found. So how do you get yourself out of the void? Oh, we only have one viewer. Bro, you know what you do? You turn your Twitch streams into TikTok clips, YouTube Shorts, IG Reels, anything, bro. Any of those short form platforms you put on there, and don't just limit to short form, bro. Start off with short form, then you move on to the big leagues of YouTube. Now you must be like, but Rory, I'm posting, I'm not getting any views. Listen, it comes with time. Just promise me that you will post a clip every single day. Listen, I learned from this is a quote from Kai Cenat, bro. If you do something from January 1st to December 31st, my boy, brother, surely at least one video is just gonna be bound to do well, unless it just isn't your time, bro. Listen, we're gonna talk about waiting your turn in another video. It's gonna be a whole entire video, but right now we'll focus on how to become a streamer. The only way you could go on Twitch is by posting on social medias that are not Twitch, which doesn't mean you shouldn't stream. You should still stream a lot, because that's how you make the content. Just get the content from your Twitch and put it on other platforms. Moving on, now that you have people coming in from TikTok, YouTube, IG, all these different places, now you got people coming in. Yeah, you want to promote your Twitch on all those platforms. So like whenever you post, just put in the caption like Twitch and then your name. That's literally it. And then a couple hashtags are related to it, obviously. And your name should be a hashtag too, to get your name out there. Now that you have a ton of people coming into your live streams, yo, voiceover Rory back at it again. As I say, I did miss something out. Once you get a ton of people that come into your stream, you need to maintain them as viewers as well. So make sure you read all of their messages. Make sure you keep entertaining them. Just keep them as entertaining as possible. Just think of it as like you're like performing a show and they're your audience, because at the end of the day, that's basically what streaming kind of is. But still, obviously, be yourself. You know what I mean? You need to build a community, because listen, bro, you could be the best streamer in the world, but if you have no community, then you're gonna literally have people coming in and leaving, coming in, leaving. So you know what you need to do? You need to start a Discord server where all your viewers can all talk together, become friends. They could talk to you, get the announcements about you and your life easily. Whenever you go live, you just ping it in your Discord and everyone will come all in one place. Pause. And yeah, build a community. You know, you could either become, to be honest, I wouldn't really recommend becoming friends with your viewers. You will learn that in either the tough way or just listen to me. I would say keep streamer and viewers kind of separate. Obviously, some viewers can obviously turn into friends, but some people will become friends with you for the things you have and will try and take you down, or they will just be mad weird. And there's a lot of weirdos on the internet. So I would keep viewers and streamers pretty separate, but obviously, you know, your friends can, you know, sometimes, you know, like it's not like a no way Jose. But yeah, build a community. Next tip. Now they have a community. Now, if you have a community, you have about, I would say a community would start around 10 viewers. If you have more than 10 viewers every single stream, you need to become consistent. You need to stop streaming at random times, bro. This is the time where you lock in, bro. Bro, this is when people really rely on your streams, bro. Listen, you need to stream either every day, every other day, and anything less than that, it's kind of weak, bro. Streaming once a week is I don't know, that's part-timer to me. I'm hearing part-timer now. So yeah, stream either daily or every other day. Just try and find time to stream, bro. You need to be consistent. Be consistent so that people's routines are like, oh wait, what if Rory's streaming today? Oh, let me check Rory's Twitch and see if he's streaming right now. Like it'll turn into a routine they'll get used to. You get what I'm saying? All right, next flipping tip, bro. All right, so now that you've got a community, you've got people coming in all the time, and you're being consistent, you're building community, you're getting your viewers up, everything's going up, your social media is going up, your streams are going up, your average is going up, everything's going up. That's when you start to collaborate. And when you collaborate, bro, collaborating is literally one of the best things to do, bro. I'm not saying that you should do it purely just because to collaborate. Listen, when I say collaborate, I say you just collaborate with people that you genuinely like, bro. You people that you actually mess with, bro. People that, because when you collaborate with someone and it goes well, they're gonna want to see you collaborate with them more. You get what I mean? So I would only collaborate with people that you genuinely mess with, bro. So like, let's say like, for example, me, Crofty, Harley, Fwax, Mondones, like, you know, all the guys I normally make videos and stuff like that with, Like, no, like low-key, even though I am collaborating with them on stream, it doesn't even feel like I'm collaborating. It just feels like just me and my friends playing games. 'Cause at the end of the day, it's just me and my friends playing games, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, we're literally collaborating and we're growing all of each other at the same time. Like literally, people can see me from their streams and they'll be like, who's that guy? Let me check him out. People can see them from my stream and they'll be like, who's that? Let me check them out. That's how a lot of us have grown. We share an audience, which can be good and bad. But I'm just saying collaborating can be really good in the early stages. Moving on to the next tip. Now that you're collaborating with people, you've got your own loyal fan base, you're consistent, you're doing well on social media, you need to help other people, bro. Listen, bro, going up by yourself is the most boring thing you can ever do, bro. Imagine being up and having no one around you. Why would you want that? What? Like, at least have a loyal circle around you. Like, actually, like, low-key have fun. Because low-key, when you get up there, it can be lonely. Even though you have money and all this, like, fame and blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of bad that involves it, which we'll talk about in the future, maybe. But I'm just saying, you want to get up there with your boys. Just help other streamers. Just go to other streamers' streams. Oh yeah, this also links back to the other tip. How to find people to collaborate with. Go to other streamers, just watch their streams. If you enjoy their streams, keep on talking in their streams. Do not mention you're a streamer. Do not mention you're a streamer. Don't be like, oh, you know, I stream too. Bro, it's gonna sound like the most nerdy, beggy, self-promo thing in the world. If you said that in my chat, I would ban you instantly, bro. That is the cringiest thing ever. But yeah, go into their chat, just be an actual viewer, interact with all their social medias, join their Discord and Twitter are the two best places to contact people. Shoot them a little DM, say, can we hop in a call and talk about maybe like content or like play a game or just talk and have fun. Just really just become friends with them before you want to make content with them. You know what I mean? But yeah, just help out others. Just spend when you're not live, you're either making videos or you're in other people's streams. That's what I do, at least. Now that we've talked about basically everything, that's basically everything, to be honest. That's like all the basic stuff. The last tip is to not overthink it, man. Have fun. At the end of the day, streaming is supposed to be fun. You're supposed to do it because you have fun, man. If I wasn't getting paid to do this, I would pay to do it, bro. Like, dead ass. Like, literally, streaming is like, it's like, bro, when I have a bad day, bro, like, I just come home and stream, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, sometimes streaming can be annoying because, you know, the bad things, but at the end of the day, I really enjoy streaming, and I'm very grateful for my community and the people that I'm around right now. Like, it's genuinely like a dream come true. I'm not big or anything yet. Like, I do have like a pretty big following, obviously 30K on TikTok. I've been banned on a lot of huge accounts, 7K on YouTube, basically like around 6K on Twitch. Yeah, so I am like somewhat known in a way, I guess. I'm not trying to say I have an ego or anything, but like literally I am somewhat, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, that's why I'm talking right now. But like, honestly, you gotta always be humble, be grateful, have fun. Don't overthink it. Be patient. Wait your turn. We'll talk about all this stuff in another time. But yeah, honestly, that's pretty much everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below how many subs you're on right now and what your goal is and what you want to do and if I did help you out. And yeah, honestly, I'm just doing my part, giving back to you. Like, 'cause obviously, I love you guys so much. Other than that, peace out.